battery charging area should be a controlled, identified, well-ventilated area with restricted access to authorised personnel only. Appropriate signage should be available indicating no smoking, no naked flames, and the action to be taken in the event of electric shock. A record book for the maintenance of the battery should be available to the operator, and various pieces of equipment should be in the area for the operator, including PPE, hydrometer, and intrinsically safe torch. Bins for normal and contaminated waste should be available, rinsing agents, neutralising agents, deionised water, and refill equipment. PPE is vital in ensuring the safety of the operator during battery maintenance and topping up procedures. An acid-proof apron should be worn and correctly secured. Full face protection or eye protection must be worn. Liner gloves, and finally, acid-proof gauntlets should be worn. The lift truck battery must be kept in a clean and tidy condition. A lift truck operator must be able to check the electrolyte levels in a cell. Raise the cell caps and check the electrolyte level using a torch if required. The level should be just over the top of the place, as it's the only water that evaporates, not the acid. If top up is required, use the refill device using demineralized water only. Again, once topped up, make sure the fluid level is above the plates. Stow the refill device away correctly. Mop up any spills and close the cell caps correctly. Dispose of any contaminated waste correctly in the bin provided. The hydrometer is a device used for measuring the specific gravity of a battery cell. Flip the cap up. Insert the tube into the cell, depress the bulb, and draw fluid up into the inside tube. Take the reading from the markers on the hydrometer. Release the electrolyte back into the cell it was taken from. Rinse or flush the hydrometer in the water provided. Store the hydrometer safely. And again, dispose of any contaminated waste in the appropriate bin. Removing the PPE. Remove your gauntlets and place into the rinsing bucket. Remove the face mask or eye protection. Remove the acid-proof apron and stow it correctly. The battery charging procedure. Check the battery lead and coupling point for any signs of damage. Select the right charger for the truck and carry out further checks on the coupling point and the lead. Securely connect the charger to the battery. Make sure the cables aren't trailing in any pedestrian walkways or traffic routes. Check the mains power lead for any signs of damage. Plug the charger power lead into the correct socket, again making sure there are no trailing wires. Check the charger for correct operation. Once the charger has completed its cycle, turn it off the power. Remove the charger power lead from the socket and stow the cables correctly. Disconnect the charger lead from the battery, making sure you don't pull on the cables. Again, stow the cables correctly. Plug the battery lead in. Lower the battery cover. And ensure it's locked in place.